Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Another unboxing of book. Let's see. I have ordered it from Flipkart. It is just about 69 rupees. Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill, my favorite author. Let's unbox it. Here's the order package from Flipkart. Don't know. Come on. Thank you. Yes. Here is the billing. 69 rupees. Here is the book. Not that much big, about this much size. Napoleon Hill. It's a Flipkart assured book, you can see here. Napoleon Hill, over 20 million copies sold worldwide. No, what's this? Let's see about the book. Nice packing. Think and Grow Rich. Okay. Nice book. No printing mistake is there. There are about 266 pages. The edges are not curved. That's nice, really nice. But मैंने थोड़ी इससे ज़्यादा बड़ी बुक्स होती थी, ये थोड़ी साइज में छोटी है, देख सकते हैं. Here is my hand and here is the book. You can see. Sorry. But good. There are total 15 chapters. You can see it. 15. But I really like it. There is no any error in printing mistake, and the good point is they give replacement plus return plus refund within 10 days. That's really nice. But nice. Think and Grow Rich. How to outwit the 6 ghosts of fear? Let's see which are the 15 chapters. Desire, faith, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, precision, persistence, power of the mastermind, the mystery, let it be, the subconscious mind, the brain, the sixth sense, how to outwit the 6 ghosts of the fear. Overall, you can purchase this from Flipkart. I think right now it's about 96 rupees plus 40 delivery charge, but I didn't give 40 delivery charge plus only 69 rupees. Thank you Flipkart for the nice book. Here it's price 199, but we get it only in 69 rupees. Yes, it's 69 rupees. You can see here. Yeah. Thank you friends.